Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see the exact spots you touch on your screen. Basically, how to show screen taps on Android. If this video helps you out, please drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. To do this, you first need to enable developer options. Start by opening your phone settings. Once inside settings, tap on About Phone. Here, tap on your build version or MIUI version repeatedly about 5 times until the message "You are a developer" appears. This means developer options is successfully activated. Next, go back to the main settings menu, scroll down and open additional settings. Scroll down a bit further and you will find the developer options menu. Inside developer options, scroll down until you locate the show tap setting and toggle it on. Now, wherever you tap on the screen, a small white circular dot will appear. Whether you tap, swipe, or drag around, every single screen touch is clearly visible. And that is the complete tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.